Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close look at the Nike Victori One. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Victori One shower slides, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And this pair is in a men's UK size 9, US size 10, Euro size 44, and it's in the white, black colourway. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by sliding open the box flap to reveal the contents inside, taking a direct look inside of this Nike Victori One box's packaging. You can see the pair of slides. Let's slide them out, and of course the rest of the contents out as well, making sure nothing else is left inside. Let's close the box back up and set it down and to the side. So just setting it on the left hand side of the table as we move the slides into view. And there appears to be two foot strap supports. That's part of the packaging. We'll just set it back to the side. And of course there is a Nike slides or footwear hanger, so just setting that down to give you a complete look at the items that we've just removed from the box packaging of this Nike Victori One in the white, black colorway. Alright, so just sweeping the two strap trees to the side and giving you a look at this thick card Nike slide hanger. And it's made out of 90% recycled content. So we can set that to the side, setting it on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at the pair of Nike Victori One shower slides in the white, black colorway. And as I mentioned, this pair is in a UK size 9, US size 10, Euro size 44. So giving you an all-round look at the slides, and you can see that the footbed does have perforations around the forefoot as well as the heel. Well, let's focus on the left slide for now and set the right slide in the background and out of the way. So taking a look at the left slide first, and let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear view of the slide. So as you can see, it is made out of one lightweight foam design. And taking a look at the hang tag that's on it as well. And on the reverse side. And giving you a much closer in look at the details. That's on the hang tag. Okay, so just going to tuck the hang tag inside so we have a much clearer look at the slide, and we can see that black pebbly raised Nike swoosh on the top side of the foot strap, and giving you a look at that semi-rigid foot strap, but you can see floppy at the same time as I press down on it, and it just springs back into shape. But nonetheless, taking a look at the other details of this Nike Victori One. So we can see there are circular nubs that form the traction pattern on the footbed or top side of the inside of the shower slide, and you can see the perforations as well, which allow for ventilation and drainage. So they go right through from the top side of the sole through the midsole and through the bottom or outsole of the slide, so giving you that close-up look at the sole with those perforations or holes for ventilation as well as drainage. And of course taking a look at the traction pattern as well, so you can see right throughout, very sleek and simple form of the slide design, and you can see a stamped or debossed Nike swoosh around the heel area, surrounded with 5 ventilation and drainage holes or perforations. So you can see very clearly that it does have that simple one-piece molded design, and being made out of foam, it is very light in weight. And taking a direct look at the heel or backside of the slide and right throughout, so you can see the overall shape and structure of this Nike Victori One in the white black colorway. So once again, giving you a look at the overall one-piece foam design, this lightweight shower slide, and giving you that side view or profile look as well. And you can see the lipped or dished footbed design with those grooves and perforations for ventilation and drainage. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the softness, pliability and twistability or firmness of this shower slide. So you can see right there, bending it, and it springs back into shape. And of course giving you a look at the thickness and the edges, and of course the smoothness and textures at the various elements of the foot strap and the slide overall. And just pressing on the midsole or sides to give you some sense, once again, of the density or firmness of the slide. So giving you a look right there. At the bounciness or springiness of the foam. Okay, now let's take a look at the right slide. So setting the left slide in the background, now taking a look at the right slide of this Nike Victori One. At this time around, slightly clearer detail without the hang tag in the way. So you can see right through to the front or toe area of the slide, right from the back and top down as well. And once again we see the black nubs that are raised from the surface or flat of the foot strap and highly contrasted in black against the white of the Nike swoosh. And once again, that nice soft, floppy but structured foot strap. And of course, the bottom or sole of the slide with that front area patch perforation and heel area perforations. And once again doing a 360 rotation, this time with the right slide. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. And directly from the back. So that's Nike Victory One. Thanks for watching and happy walking!